Hi everybody. Just wanted to let you know what's been going on. I've only been able to do one thing here in the last couple of weeks, and that's the building you see directly in front of you. It's the Mid-States Booze Distributor, and I just been trying to get it somewhat finished, but then I came down with a case of bronchitis, so I haven't been feeling too well the last 10 days or so. I still plan on having a contest. I have achieved the level of subscribers that I wanted, and I'll probably have to wait another couple of weeks before I feel up to doing things. So. But anyway, I just wanted to show you the building that I did complete, and I'll be letting you know the rules. I mean, basically, you're going to have to be a subscriber to my channel, and we've actually surpassed where I wanted to be. So. But we'll do a random drawing like I did a little over a year ago. I'm looking at getting some new both N-scale and HO scale rolling stock as prizes. I was unable to go to a train show past weekend because I didn't feel up to it, and hopefully I'll be able to get better here in the next week or so. But anyway, that's the Mid-States Booze Distributor in front of you. Those are two Walthers kits I've had for a long time. I think the main building on the left side is some kind of a printing company. I think that's what it was sold as. And then the building, the smaller building, is I think it was like a candy factory or something like that. But so basically with that building, the one on the left will be the receiving building for all the booze to come in, and then the one on the right will be the shipping, which is where the trucks are. So, but anyway, I'll get back to you, and hopefully we can get this contest underway probably in a couple of weeks. So, but anyway, thank you for watching and everybody being my subscriber. I appreciate that very much. Thank you. Bye.